It's Tyler here, and I wanted to give you a run through of how Playlister works. Now, if you don't know what Playlister is yet, this is how we've been sending out your Sunday morning content the last 2 weeks. And we've been doing that so that we can customize some of the content with our own worship videos, as well as with a customized lesson time, which we are calling Grow and Tell instead of Show and Tell. So last week I did the Grow and Tell time. This week you're going to see one of the other people that teaches your kids on a regular basis so that your kids have some faces that they're familiar with. So as you click onto the Playlister link, which can be found through an email that you get sent or on the church's website, www.bachelorcreek.com/family resources. If you scroll down the page, you will find a Playlister link. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page that you see here. And there's a button on this page that says Watch Now. As you click Watch Now, it's going to take you to another page that includes lots of different elements that you can scroll through. It's always going to start with the countdown, which you'll see here. At the bottom, you can pause whatever you're watching, or you can go forward or backwards, depending on what you need to do. When you click to the next thing, you'll see that it's going to be some sort of element, a teaching element for your kids. The so-and-so show is also included in what we're doing each week. And then you're going to find worship videos that are specific for your kids with our dance team dancing to songs that your kids will know. And then the final element that you always want to go to at the very end is what we call Grow and Tell. We hope Grow and Tell is a chance for your kids to dig a little bit deeper into what they're learning and to see someone that they have seen before at church. So every week we'll have somebody different that will be doing the Grow and Tell segment. I hope this helps you understand a little bit more about Playlister. If you have any questions, please let me know. Feel free to send any of those questions my way. But we hope this is another great resource for your family as they dig into the lesson each and every week that you're at home before we get back to church on August 9th. So we will see you soon, and thanks for checking this out.